Hi guys, so last week we have done the research and this week we are moving into making something like rockets. So initially we have divided this rocket project into 3 phases, where the first phase is making air rockets with the basic air rocket model we have. It kind of looks, so the starting base looks like this. So we're gonna learn how to design the wings and probably learn how aerodynamics work. And at phase 2 we're gonna make our Persian rockets without the base rockets and probably fly that too. And at phase 3 we're gonna move on to chemical rockets, where instead of air we're gonna use different chemicals. So this is only if the first phase, this phase works well and there is a positive response from the school. So I hope we could do this all together very efficiently. So this week is planning week, so we're going to be planning how the wings and the basic structure is going to look like, and next week we're going to make it and fire it. Okay, our design. We're trying to make a gliding air rocket for the farthest distance. Yeah.
2 ideas. First is to make the structure like this, so that it will be widely open and it will be kind of in a circular shape, so it will fly further. And the second is this. So we're trying to make the wings like flip open when it reaches the highest peak, but we're thinking about how to make that. We're trying to refer to it. Yeah.
These are Chinese characters. This reads Ok, this reads Chol, this reads Wang, this reads Su. So this would be Ok, Chol, Wang, Su.
Okay.
And we also have wings on the side for uniqueness. Yeah. Other than that, it's just your standard air rocket. That's basically it.
Sure, so we have a big ass, well not very big, but you know, a rocket. And since it's pretty small, it's like 3 centimeters in diameter, it doesn't need to be very, very big. And so what people usually do is, now this is like watching it from behind, right? Like people usually do this kind of thing. But that is hard to fabricate and it's a pain in the ass to make. So what we are doing is something like this. So we're gonna connect these parts to the main fuselage. And these parts will be empty, of course, and we're gonna make these parts out of like calendar paper or something, so it'll be light, it'll be strong, and it'll be a shitload easier to make than this thing over here. And that's basically our plan.
Model right here, and we're gonna make wings after we make the base. Down, wing down. It goes up. The wing down makes it go up. Wing up. Wing up, wing up.
Goes down.
It went down. It went down.
But it looks actually better.
It spins.
It doesn't change that much.
It's gonna be really long, and hoping that it will glide through the air.
What's the wing gonna be made of?
The wing's gonna be made out of this. we hope it will be very sturdy.
Yeah, we try to make it triangular being like this instead of fins, making three other fins.